Right, this is RuVik Education, and today we're going to be continuing from page number 74 of class 5th Lektion 6, lesson 6 of Deutsch and ich-2 book. Okay, we are going to be beginning from Übung 2, which is your exercise 2. So we'll discuss few examples. So here we have Paul geht in ins Kino. Partner 2 says, willst du auch ins Kino gehen? So, Paul geht ins Kino. Willst du auch ins Kino gehen? So, this means Paul goes to inside the cinema, and partner 2 is asking, will you also go inside the cinema? So, let's see. The first example is already been solved. Let's begin from the second example. Florian. Florian geht ins theater. Yeah, that's correct. And then we have to ask a question with ihr. Do you remember the verb conjugation table of wollen? Yeah, for ihr, the verb conjugation was wollt. So, wollt ihr auch ins Theater gehen? That should be the question. Next, here is you. Coming to Inge. Inge is basically Inge spielt tennis. Okay, Inga plays tennis. Now we have to make a question with Z. So do you remember the verb conjugation of wollen with Z? Yes, it remained wollen itself. So wollen Sie auch Tennis spielen? That would be the question. Wollen Sie auch Tennis spielen? Yeah. Moving to Ranbir. Ranbir fehlt. Actually, here they have given the word fahren. We'll not use gehen. That's why. Ranbir fährt nach Berlin. Willst du auch nach Berlin fahren? Okay? Yeah. Fifth one. Frau Braun. Frau Braun trinkt Cola. Now we have to make a question with ihr. Same question like here. Wollt ihr Cola trinken? Auch Cola trinken? Okay. You have to do by yourself and comment it down below. Let's begin with the third exercise. Partner 1 says, kannst du singen? Can you sing? Partner 2 says, ja, ich kann singen. That means, yes, I can sing. So the first one is already solved. If we talk about the second one, Gitarre spielen. So the question should be, kannst du Gitarre spielen? That would be the question. The answer should be either ja, ich kann Gitarre spielen. This can be your first option as a sentence, or the second thing that you can say is nein, ich kann nicht Gitarre spielen. So simply you can add nein and then you can add nicht. So these are the two things. Like for example, kannst du schwimmen? Ja, ich kann schwimmen. Kannst du Auto fahren? Ja, ich kann Auto fahren. Kannst du Englisch sprechen? Nein, ich kann nicht Englisch sprechen. Kannst du Cricket spielen? Ja, ich kann Cricket spielen. Like that. I hope you are able to follow along. If you can't, just take a look at this example. It says kannst du. Kannst du means can you. You have to watch the previous part to understand the verb conjugation of these modal verbs. Können, wollen, möchten. All these are modal verbs and they have their verb conjugation which we have discussed in previous parts. So you can watch that, then you'll understand this. Okay, coming to the fourth activity, partner 1 says, ich muss jetzt gehen. That means I must go now. Partner 2 is saying, warum gehst du denn nicht? That means for what reason are you not going then? Basically, the first person is showing urgency. This muss comes from müssen. That means must. It's a modal verb. I must go right now. Like, for what reason are you not going then? That basically means go. Okay, this was the first example. Coming to the second example, ich muss. I guess we can use different modal verbs, but since here muse is given, I'll be using muse. But for learning, you don't really need to learn something urgently. But yeah, there can be cases where you need to learn a language urgently. Let's say, for example, you're shifting to Germany, and there it's a compulsion to learn the language. So obviously we'll use here muss. So ich muss jetzt Deutsch lernen. Jetzt I don't think would be appropriate because that means now, like right now. So ich muss Deutsch lernen. Question can be warum lernst du denn nicht? Why are you not learning then? Third example, Ranbir muss jetzt nach Haus fahren. That means Ranbir must go to his house right now. Then the question can be, warum geht denn nicht? Remember, you have to change the here geht no here fahren is given, right? So you'll just write then warum fährt denn nicht? You have to remember according to verb conjugation. Here is there, so it will become fährt. I guess the rest is pretty simple. You can do it by yourself. If you have any doubt, just comment it down below. We'll try our best to answer it. But you have to comment down the sixth part. Go ahead and do that. Okay. So next you have coffer packing. That means suitcase packing. So there are a few things that we have here and we have to match it with the picture. So let's go ahead and do that quickly. So the first one is their coffer. So their coffer is nothing but the suitcase. So we'll just write that down. Next we have das Handy. Handy is nothing but your mobile phone. You can remember that. Smartphones are handy, so that's a handy. Okay. The Schuhe, the shoes. So these are shoes, obviously. So the Schuhe. Next, the I cannot read this. I guess it's Sommerbrille. That means sunglasses. So Sommerbrille. Brille is glasses. Sommer is summer. Their pass means the passport. So passport and pass is pretty similar. The camera, that means the camera. Obviously, you need all these things when you go out for a trip. Next, the rucksack, that means the backpack. You always need a backpack when you're on a trip, almost always. And this should be Geld, so that's Geld. Geld is money. Rucksack. Okay, I hope you understood all the meanings. Sommerbrille is sunglasses, coffer is suitcase, pass is passport, camera is camera, smartphone is handy, Schuhe is shoes, rucksack is backpack, and oh, why did I write rucksack over here? Das Geld. Okay, das Geld is money. So we're done with the chapter, guys. So this is the vocabulary. You can just go ahead and go through this. If you want, you can learn it. And yeah, let's just go through this once. You can even go through it via a book. And yeah, it's a 2-page vocabulary. Okay, so in the next part, we'll be beginning with Lektion 7. So go ahead and watch that. The next video, the part is over. Lektion 7, first part. Go ahead and watch that. Bye bye.